Ka Press Information Bureau Shillong negasngi ka Pynlong ka media workshop bala tip kum ka Vartalap bat kinong sam khubor ka jala halor ka election bat kila pathai khubor ka jing thumu jong ka ne ka workshop ka long man pen sngotu ya kinong rem jing traikam jong kilat sam khubor bat man pen janai ya ka jing la jong kinong sam khubor ha ka baya dei bat ka jing sam khubor ha ka por election bat ru ban ai ka khubor ba shisha shi pat ba Hakani ka workshop u Chief Electoral Officer ka Meghalaya uba FR Kharkongor uloong ba ka benta jong ka Election Commission bat kinong sam khubor kilong kumjo banwanra ka khoi ka suba ha ka election shu ula batha ka la pathai khubor ban ai ka khubor ba shisha khanang ban yarap pat ba ban shim me ka rai bedai u Director General jong ka PIB u B Narayanan Hakani ka program uloong ba khandai pho na shispa jong ki khubor hamsaya la ban lap da ka pendon kam ya ke internet bat ki kor ki bor bat ula batha ru ya kinong sam khubor ban pendon kam ya ki.
The role of the Election Commission and the media are basically two sides of the same coin. To ensure that there's a level playing field, to ensure that there is, that everyone, that all the players play by the rules. It has always been an abiding belief of the Election Commission and the Office of the CEO that media is omnipresent. No democratic election can take place without media. Media is a necessity to ensure a free and fair election.